Mr. George Dritsanos from Schneider Electric with us on Let's Talk Tech today from Greece, all the way from Athenian Riviera. Welcome, George.
Thank you very much. Have a good morning. Thank you very
For a company that is balancing profit and sustainability, what can we learn about balancing the benefits and challenges of AI?
AI is a big challenge for everybody, also for Schneider Electric. So we are discussing for huge loads that will be implemented in the next years. So it will be a very big impact on the environment and of course on the power that will be needed. So for us it is really important to create a sustainable solution that will be fitted in every customer demand.
Well, you're very well placed in the market to see the demand for data centers, and we've seen a lot of announcements by hyperscalers here. Can you tell us what is the outlook for the demand and the supply right now?
Yes, recently we see a big demand coming also in Greece and in Central Eastern Europe. We are expecting a CAGR in the next years 15 to 20%. This is mainly inflated from several factors. Of course, one is the cloud computing and the second part is the AI. So we are waiting a big demand to hit also Greece, and we need to be ready to anticipate also this demand in this country.
So at the moment, the demand has not materialized. But do you think the hyperscalers are pushing on with the investments? And what about the sovereign wealth funds that have made pledges also over the years?
Yes, right now there are several master plans, several projects that they are discussed in the market. So the hyperscalers are pushing very massively these investments to happen. And definitely several tools will be needed to finance these big projects. We are following up all these nice investments, all these nice master projects that will happen in Greece. And definitely Schneider Electric will create the right foundation, the right footprint for everybody to be accommodated and of course support with the right infrastructure.
What is Greece taking in terms of steps towards the energy sustainability and AI?
Greece made several steps in the last year, so a big portion of the produced energy is coming from renewables, around 40-45%. So the government and of course all the society is very sensitive on creating sustainable energy production. So Greek government is moving towards this direction. As we say all the time, it's not enough. We need more. We need more green energy, more sustainable energy. So definitely it is in the top of the agenda, not only to make it green, but also to make it digital.
Do you see that their energy strategy is aligned with the sustainability as required?
Many hyperscalers are very sensitive on this one. We saw it also before that Google put it on the table, that they are looking countries where is, let's say, green or zero carbon emission. And of course the government and also all the bodies in the country, all of the regulatory association should follow this one in order to create, let's say, an environment that is green and of course sustainable for everybody.
What are the latest technologies that are you seeing in deployments in the Greek market?
Yes. Recently, the biggest challenge, as we said, is the power availability and, of course, the speed. So one solution that solves all the problems is a prefabricated data center. Recently, we did a big project with DLR in Creta. We are very, let's say, happy, proud of this project because DLR selected ourselves as the main and sole vendor for the entire solution in a data center that deployed in 12 months in a very nice, let's say, cost-optimized solution that was designed and built, of course, with our engineers and, of course, the support of DLR in Barcelona, in our factory, big factory in Barcelona, and delivered, of course, in Creta in the minimum time, as we said, with the most optimized cost.
Okay, well, thank you very much, George. That was our Greece Data Center Market Special, all the way from Athens. And see you next